Want to drive change and have a handy checklist with best practices? Here is your video. Are you a leader looking for practical, actionable strategies that deliver quick wins and lasting impact? Whether you're a team leader, project manager, or CEO, mastering leadership, communication, culture, and change management is your key to success, and it doesn't have to be complicated. Take a screenshot at the end of the video for a handy tip sheet.
Effective leadership is built on 4 simple but powerful principles. Consistency. Show up every day with the same high standards. Your team needs to trust that your expectations won't change with the mood of the day. Competence. Know your craft deeply. When you demonstrate expertise, your team naturally follows your lead. Confidence. Make decisions decisively and inspire belief. Confidence is contagious. It empowers your team to take ownership. Constructive confrontation. Don't avoid tough conversations. Address issues directly and fairly to build accountability and prevent small problems from becoming big ones. Why does this matter to you? Because these principles create a reliable, trustworthy environment where your team can thrive and you can see results faster.
Clear, honest communication is the lifeblood of any successful team. Active listening. Leaders who listen, really listen, gain insights that drive smarter decisions and stronger relationships. Set clear expectations. Ambiguity kills productivity. Define roles and standards clearly so everyone knows what success looks like. Regular feedback. Give timely, constructive feedback focused on growth. This keeps your team aligned and motivated. Quick win. Start your next meeting by asking one question to listen more deeply to your team's needs. This small shift can boost engagement immediately. Culture isn't just a buzzword, it's the foundation for sustainable success. Lead by example. The culture starts with you. Your behaviors, values, and attitudes set the tone. Shared responsibility. Empower every team member to own the culture. When everyone contributes, the team becomes a supportive family. Purpose beyond tasks. Inspire your team to work for something bigger than individual goals. Shared purpose fuels collaboration and resilience. Invest in people. Develop your team's skills and leadership. Retention and growth come naturally when people feel valued. What's in it for you? A strong culture reduces turnover, increases productivity, and creates a workplace people want to be part of.
Change is inevitable. Leading it well means start with a clear vision. Everyone needs to know why the change matters and what success looks like. Prioritize attitude and effort. Before complex strategies, ensure your team embraces a positive mindset and commitment. Be adaptable. Learn from experience, stay open to new ideas, and adjust your approach as needed. Hold everyone accountable. Change sticks when standards are clear and enforced fairly. Quick win. Identify one small process or habit to improve this week. Small changes build momentum and show immediate progress.
Start with the power of humility, discipline, and staying true to your values was emphasized as the secret to building lasting success, even under pressure. Embracing accountability, blocking out distractions, and focusing on simplicity and tangible behaviors helped turn struggling teams into high-performing teams. What can you take away? Start with what you control, your mindset and daily actions, and build from there. Take the screenshot now. Leadership isn't about complicated theories. It's about consistent action that builds trust, drives results, and creates a culture where everyone wins. Apply these principles today and watch your team transform. Remember, the best leaders don't wait for perfect conditions. They create them. Highlight immediate benefits. Emphasize how these lessons lead to faster team alignment, reduced conflict, and improved morale, all translating into better business outcomes. User-friendly tips include simple, actionable steps like ask one open-ended question in your next meeting, or set one clear expectation for this week. Call to action. Encourage viewers to commit to one leadership habit they will implement right now for a quick win.
Thanks for watching. Like the video, share, and good luck.